can we please take up one or two questions? Do we have any questions for our author, Madhulika? Great, so you enjoyed it so much and you knew so much that you have nothing to ask. So thank you so much once again for being here. Thank you, Madhulika, for your time and for writing such a powerful book. Thank you.
थैंक यू मैम. एक बार जोरदार करतल ध्वनि से इस्तेमाल कीजिए. She is a true Gurkha herself, and the fact that she has battled cancer and come out is testimony to the resilience of the Gurkhas. Shows us the metal that she is made of. To write about your loss and gain in such a it's a very tumultuous thing. उसके बारे में एक किताब लिखना और ख़ास करके एक ऐसे शख्स का विवरण देना जो आपके पिता भी हैं और एक बहुत बड़े शूरवीर हैं, आसान नहीं होता है. एंड वो गोरखालीज में कहते हैं ना कि कायर हुनु बंदा मरनो राम रो. बेहतर है कि मरी जाओ, इससे कायर कहलाना बेकार चीज़ है. सो once again, a very big thank you to all of you. I mean, I am overwhelmed being in your presence, and I'm sure everybody is also feeling the same. And I would like to now invite Shri Harish Sanwal ji to please come and present a memento to Madhulika Thapa Munga ji and to Pooja Marwa ji.
And we finished on time, keeping the army time in mind.
Thank you, ma'am. I'd also like to announce and inform everybody, all the writers and their works are available outside. और जैसे पूजा मैम ने भी कहा, एक बहुत ही अद्भुत आपके पास अवसर है कि आप किताबें ले लें और जो ऑथर्स हैं उनसे साइन करा लें और इसी बहाने आपके जो 2-4 सवाल रह गए वो भी पूछ लें उनसे. आज की तारीख में इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट बहुत हो गया है. हम जो सीमांत गांव हैं, हमारे जो सीमावर्ती गांव हैं, वहाँ तक पहुँच गए हैं. लोगों का आना जाना हो गया है. जो डिफेंस फोर्सेस हैं उनमें तो खैर एक ही धर्म है, देश और देशभक्ति और देश सेवा. बाकी अलग अलग प्रांतों से आए लोग आ रहे हैं, जा रहे हैं. सीमाओं पर उनका रहना शुरू हो गया है. उसके अपने चैलेंजेस हैं. Now the session that we will have is shifting frontiers, demographics and national security. आज देश में आना बड़ा आसान हो गया है और वो अपने साथ कुछ चैलेंजेस भी लेकर के आया है. The demographic shifts in the Indian border states, they pose strategic challenges impacting both internal and external security. This session explores their implications on national security, sovereignty and geopolitical landscape of the region. Our speakers are Lieutenant General Dr. J.S. Negi, PVSM, AVSM, YSM, Bar to VSM, former Commandant of the Indian Military Academy, Lieutenant General Jayaveer Singh Negi is an alumnus of the National Defence Academy and the Indian Military Academy and was commissioned into the 16th Battalion of the Dogra Regiment in June 1981. In an illustrious and distinguished career spanning nearly 40 years, the General Officer has served in varied and difficult terrains in challenging operational areas along the line of control, including 6 tenures in the J&K, line of actual control, high altitude and counter-insurgency areas. He commanded his battalion in the Western Sector in Ops Parakram, an Assam Rifle Sector in Northeast in counter-insurgency operations as a brigadier. He commanded the Infantry Division as a Major General in Ladakh, a Strike Corps and Lieutenant General in the Western Sector, Deputy Commandant of the Strategic Forces Command and Commandant of the prestigious Indian Military Academy before superannuating in September 2020. He has also been a member of the Executive Council of Jawaharlal Nehru University in 2020 and has also been an advisor to the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. Apart from the 5 presidential medals, the PVSM, the Ati Vishish Seva Medal, the Yuddha Seva Medal, Bar to Vishish Seva Medal, he has also been decorated with the United Nations Force Commander's Commendation for his distinguished and dedicated service of exceptional order to the Indian Army and Nation. He is presently based in Dehradun. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Lieutenant General Dr. Jayaveer Singh Negi. I welcome once again Shri Ashok Kumar IPS, former DGP Uttarakhand. We just had a very enlightening session with him, and I'm sure this session is also going to be just as interesting. In conversation, I invite once again Dr. Kuldeep Datta. He may be a cardiologist, but he gets to the heart of the matter in no time. Please put your hands together for Kuldeep Datta.